First of all, right off the bat, Genesis 1, Genesis 2, they both seem to contradict each other. But more importantly, if these two contradict each other, then should we even believe the Bible at all? My name's Craig and this is Morning Star Quest, your journey through the Bible for beginners. And there seems to be this contradiction. I mean, we've got light and darkness being created on day 1. Then on day 2, the sky is created. Day 3, land emerges, plants are created. Sun and moon and stars on day 4. Sea creatures and birds created on day 5. Land animals and humans together are created, male and female together. Then on day 7, God rests. And Genesis 2 is completely different, and it seems to be around day 6. But earth is dry and dusty, no rain and plants. God forms Adam from the dust, then plants the Garden of Eden. God creates a mist to water the ground, then grows trees in the garden. God forms animals and then brings them to Adam. But none are suitable companions, so then Eve is created from his ribs. I have a question here. If I ask an architect about a hospital that he built, he'll probably give me the order of things, the dates, and the ethos behind what that hospital is about. But it will be so different if you ask a patient. Completely different story. Genesis 1 is like a drone shot that's shot from a very far distance. But Genesis 2, we come nice and close. Also, Genesis is not about the what, the how, the why. It's about the who. This is the story of God and his creation. Genesis 1, we see God as the architect. But Genesis 2, we are zooming in to a very small perspective. I don't know about you, but you might see these things as a conflict. I see them as complementary. It's just a different perspective, which takes me to the very next question. If these things are still contradictory to you, do you still believe the Bible? For me, even if these are contradictory, Jesus still lived. Most modern historians, they have gone from not believing it, researching it, finding that there is a Jesus, and then writing a book about it, being converted to belief. So your only question is, who is Jesus? So are there still myths that are holding you back from reading the Bible? Watch this video because I go through it. Go do something awesome for God and I'll catch you in the next one.